Hey, Frolic Camper Part 3. Walk around. Now we're going underneath the dark side. The darkness. Under the camper. Wow. Okay. Well, I guess we'll start at the front. And look at all this gloriousness under here. Yay, wires. Tons of wires. Wires, I don't know what the hell they're supposed to do. A tube. A box. Oh, yeah, look at that box closer. See, I'll have a nice look at it. But yeah, I'm sure I'm going to have to just tear out all these wires and replace them, period. And like I said, that fiberboard stuff, up here it's okay. But I think I'm going to just go ahead and tear it out and end up putting in awning material. I might turn you upside down now, sorry. You know. Yeah, I got one of the wheels off right now, being held up by scissor jack. And I guess this is electric brakes, so that'll be fun to figure out. Probably upgrade. Yeah, that's a passenger car tire. This camper came with passenger car tires. They were barely rated for this weight. That's something. I wonder if I can turn these axles upside down and give me more clearance, ground clearance. Yeah, it's a Jeep thing. Yeah, but yeah, the frame's rusty looking. Sand it and paint it. Maybe just pour 15 it. We'll get it crawl around in the back here in a little bit. Maybe I'll take a closer look at that. But yeah, lots of wires. I don't know what for. I think those are the original lighting wires. And these are my Harbor Freight ones that I stuck on. The second set. Well, I wish I had them when I was going, but I didn't. Oh, look at some hole of some sort I gotta fix. But yeah, it's that pressed board held on with nails. So yeah, that's just not gonna go. Look at that. Wood is definitely solid up in there. So it did its job, I guess. But yeah, I'll just keep breaking it off. Loveliness, I know. I'm gonna clean it up. That's good though. That's really good. If I can get a hold of some Pour 15, I can save the frame. Pour 15 is awesome stuff. You paint it right over top of the rust and it'll turn the rust back into a steel. But I'll probably, you know, sand the shit out of this. Excuse my language again. Ugh. But hey, I was in the Army for years. Anybody know what this box is? I have no clue. Looks like a battery of some sort. Or it was a battery. I might see if I can get that light over here. It connects to something up there. It connected to something. They say it's broke there, whatever that is. And that wire goes up there and into that thing. What that is, I do not know. Huh. Hundreds and hundreds of things I don't know what are. Yeah, that's going to have to come off and get completely redone. I'll get a friend that knows how to weld. Have him weld that hole shut. Yeah, it acts like a fucking battery. Huh. Well, anybody that does know, let me know. Comment below. Comment on the Facebook page. Just comment. Comments are good for me. It tells me things. It tells somebody else who doesn't know something. Hey, look, a marble. We found a marble. Okay, and here's the drainage system. Oh, yeah. Let's go over here first. Tubing and city water hookup. I think it's open. Looks like the valve says it's open. The tire. Broken lug. It shouldn't be too hard to figure out. And I believe this is the drain for the sink and the drain for the toilet. More of the back end. I don't know if this thing has a tank or not, because it comes down there into that. Questions. The only I'm going to find out is in the demo stage, when I start tearing stuff apart. Like, see this back piece here? That's all rotted out. And so when I do the demo, I'll be able to get in there, tear that out, put new, fresh, strong shit in. You know, Thompsonized, which is expensive stuff to do. And here's this tailgate. As you can tell, it's rusted all through. But hey, I work at a steel mill. I can come up with something to fix that. I have to cut it off, get a whole new box assembly. If I do that, I'll just extend it out. Might extend my trailer out a little bit, make it harder for people to hit it. And if you don't believe it, it says King Coach on the back of my camper. So, and I need to take a picture of this so I know what, if I can see if they're still around, because it's just down the road a piece. Everything's down the road a piece. Believe it or not, folks, everything is down the road a piece. See, original lights, more original lights. The box. Oh yeah. Anyhow, another thing I had to figure out is the furnace. You know, I need somebody with brains to take a look at that and say, yeah, that furnace is okay, but that furnace needs repaired inside again. All right. Peace out, y'all. Give me a holler, like. If you got information, pass it on. Right? Type it, enter it. People need this information, not just me. Other people. Somebody might be looking at it. Hey, so that's what that is. All right. Thank you for your views. Bye-bye.